For today's video guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Dimol, Boracay sa Cavana Souvenir Shop guys. For today's video by Arts TV 2. Continue watching lang guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cavana Souvenir Shop. Thank you ma'am for encouraging me for vlogging for your souvenir shop located at Dimol, Boracay. Cavana Souvenir Shop located at Dimol, Boracay. Continue watching lang guys by Arts TV 2. Thank you. Continue watching lang guys by Arts TV 2.